Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if my voice is a little bit under the weather. I'm just gonna have to sound like a man for the next week or so. But anyways, today we are not gonna do a tutorial. We're actually just gonna focus on skincare and how to get really nice glowy skin. So first and foremost, I would like to say that water is probably the most important factor of skincare. This is probably gonna be your best friend out of everything. I would like to give credit to these two cleansers. They're both from Origins. This one is the ginseng one from Origins. This one is the Dr. Wheel for Origins Mega Bright Skin Illuminating Cleanser. The ginseng is usually what I use whenever I feel like my face just needs just like a good scrub. It is a scrub cleanser, so obviously that's what it's used for. I really like to use it when I take my makeup off and I just have the residue of, you know, the makeup remover on my face. Use this, it gets it right off, plus it makes your face really smooth right after. It's amazing, I absolutely love it. This one is I kind of don't use this one that often. I use this one when my face is, you know, doesn't really have too many pimples and I feel like it's in a good state. So I like to use this to brighten my face up and get my face really nice and refreshed. As for my exfoliator, I really like using the Dark Angels from Lush. Since it's kind of mostly true charcoal, it really gets all the dirt out. It gets into my pores. It makes me feel really clean. And it feels like I have no shit, no bacteria on my face. So whenever I'm done with cleansing my face or exfoliating my face, I always wait for my face to dry. I just let it air dry. I don't like to put towels on it or anything like that. And then after that, I will take Witch Hazel. Really cheap, but very effective. I feel like it's a must in everyone's skincare routine, and I feel like not a lot of people use it in their skincare routine. So I just take one of these little cotton pads. I usually just squirt it all over it and then rub it all over my face, make sure it gets all the dirt out. And it's supposed to be for oily, irritated, red, damaged, blemished, or inflamed skin. So it gets rid of the redness, makes me feel like my skin is nice and even. It sets me for the day. So when I'm done with my Witch Hazel, I take my moisturizers, and the two moisturizers that are my favorite are the Aveeno Ultra Calming Daily Moisturizer and the Tatcha Water Gel. The Aveeno is more of my daily moisturizer. It just makes my skin so smooth. It smells amazing, and I feel like it's the only moisturizer that actually brings hydration to my face. I'm sorry guys, I can't freaking talk. But anyways, the Tatcha Water Gel I don't use as often. I only use this when I feel like I'm a little bit more on the oily side. If I'm not though, I will just put this off to the side and just use this guy because I feel like this will just make my skin just a little bit dry. One of the most important products that I've been using, and I have to say I've fallen completely in love with it, is the Kora Organics No Need Glow Face Oil. This is amazing. I absolutely love it. I feel like a lot of people just underestimate what a face oil can really do for you. This brings so much hydration to my face. I actually put this on before I put on my Aveeno Ultra Calming moisturizer. Sorry, forgot the word. So I have normal to oily skin, and these two products really help me just get my face to a nice glow so that I don't look oily and I just look really fresh and really awake. This goes first and then I'll put this one on, and these two combined, I swear to God, is the most magical combination in the world. I'll usually take about 4 drops of this and then 2 puffs of this guy. This one though, I will pat. So you would use the oil to pat all over your face and the moisturizer just to rub all of that in. It hasn't failed me. It really hasn't. That is it for my skincare routine of 2018 as of right now. If I change anything up, you already know I'll make a video of that and I'll post it for you guys to see the changes, why I made those changes, etc. But anyways, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and then I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.